For making bootable pendrive, you need three things. First, you have pendrive, minimum 4GB pendrive you need, and you have to download one software which is called Refuse. To downloading Refuse, you have to go to the Chrome browser and search for Refuse, Refuse Bootable. Bootable into here. You have to go to the first link, refuse.ie. Click here. After clicking this, here is the downloading link of Refuse. Click here to download. Here the Refuse is downloaded. Yes. And yes. It is open. The Refuse is open on my system. And third thing is you have to download the operating system ISO file. I'm already downloaded this Kali Linux operating system ISO file. You can download by opening Chrome browser and search here. Kali Linux ISO file, ISO download. First link, you have to go to the first link for download Kali Linux image. Here you can, from here you can download for your system, live CD or any. You can download from here. I'm already downloaded, so I'm not going to download again. After downloading, you have to inject your pen drive on your PC. I'm going to inject. Okay. Inject it. It can automatically detect your pen drive. From here you have to select your ISO file path. I'm going to select my ISO file path. Data ISO file. Okay. Open it. After doing this, you have to do nothing. Master boot record. Okay. File system MSSD. Okay. This one. After that, you have to start. It can format you. It can erase you all the data from your pen drive. So, if you have important data in pen drive, then please copy it on your system. Okay. Warning, all the data is destroyed. Here is warning. Okay. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete this process. I'm just pause it. After completed this, you've got close this, open this PC. Now you can eject or remove your pendrive from your PC and re-inject it. Here your Kali Linux is, your pendrive is bootable. You can format your PC with this and reinstall Kali Linux on your system. From this pendrive. Okay, thank you for watching.